So we're live for live stream 358, and we are looking at a market post NVIDIA earnings after the close yesterday. I believe we did have some market news. Let's have a look. So we had NVIDIA earnings, 62 billion. What's that? Battery's low. Okay. So let's have a look here on the earnings. That's Wednesday. What do we have? Don't seem to have anything. The economic calendar had GDP forecast was 3.1%. I came in at 3.3%. So GDP beat expectations a bit there. So we had NVIDIA earnings. Let's have a look what the market's done. We only up 60 points on NQ, flat on ES. Up a fair bit there on gold. Current range on NQ, only 265 points high to low. On gold, looking at 628.25, and over on ES, we're looking at 37.50 for the range on these markets. Now, let's mark up our charts here. Unique opportunity to save 70% on subscription. Not at this moment. Let's see. Those levels are from yesterday. Let's take that off. Let's mark up the charts for today. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, so I guess the NVIDIA earnings are, what are the driving factors? Okay, interesting. Get back down to the 1 minute here. Reset the view. And clearly can see that we are looking for bullish trades. Looking for buys. Imagine same scenario over here. Let's see. That's interesting. A slight difference. Slight difference here. Let's get back down to the 1 minute. Okay, so seem to have had a long there and a long there as well. So let's participate. Let's participate here. Oh wow, that's a lot of volatility. Goodness me, that is a lot of volatility. That's interesting. Very interesting. Do we want to scale out? Keep it where it is. So we're above the 1 here. So there is a bit of risk there. Let's look at the volume profile. So we want to rotate. So we made new regular trade now a highs, rejected, pushed up, retested, made a point of control. Seeming like we want to rotate lower. Made higher highs there. Don't think I can trust this. I don't think I can trust this. I'm going to be aggressive with the stop. I'm not sure about this. I'm going to be aggressive with the stop. Oh, wow. Hold on a second here. I think may be able to get, it's a long trade. It's definitely a long. Yep, definitely a long. Where is the long? The long is right there. Okay. What's the volatility like? Oh, wow. That is a lot of volatility. That's a lot of volatility. You know what? Let's scale out. There's a lot of volatility on this. So we'll scale out if it goes against us. Still give it the opportunity. Let's mark this up correctly. So, and right there. Need to have a look at this on a daily chart, because I do believe, as far as I understand it, gold, wrong instrument. Do have a, there we go. We got a daily chart right here. So, where is gold? There certainly is room to the top of the range. So we've been in this range for a couple of months here, going back and forth on gold. So maybe we want to break out at some point. Maybe we want to break out at some point. Hopefully we got the move up today. So that 479.6. 479. No way. Does that align with the highs? 476 fours. Okay, so that 479 is actually above the high of this range. 474s seem to be an area of interest. Anyway, so we've marked that up. Let's go back down to the ones. Hopefully we go and retest the highs. There is a possibility of prices turning around here at 67.2s. That remains a possibility here. That remains a distinct possibility. Oh, wow, this has gone in my favor a bit. Let's have a look at the old ES on the 5-minute chart. Okay, so stop seems to be in a good place. Target, need to get through the 501s. Can it be trusted? Can this market be trusted? See, we're above the 689.25 on. $689.25 on NQ. Certainly looking for long trades. In long trades only. Let's see. So this is coming back. Question is, do I want to give it all of this room to the upside? Oh wow, almost got up to that 67.2, got to 67 ones. Target's up at 68 ones. Interesting. Let's put an alert at 67 threes. This is interesting. I don't think there's enough margin in here to get me involved in a long here. Don't believe there is. I don't believe there is. Yeah, see, there isn't. There's not enough margin in there. Move back to the 503s. Back to the 503s. I'm hoping that we can see a break here right inside of the screen on gold. A break through the 67.2s, not a rejection, close above and that continuation. Because beyond the 67s, we're looking at around 68.5s, targets at 68.1s. So if we can successfully navigate there, should get to target. Let's have a look for potential difficulties here. So we came down to the 48.3s, found support, continue to the upside, hoping that this doesn't roll. We'll see. We will see. Certainly have. Let's see. Put a buy stop there. Let's see. What would this look like? 28. About 15-ish points. Okay. Okay. About 56. Oh, come on. Oh, wow. Who knows? Maybe this can get up to this target and we'll get an opportunity to buy this before it gets through the 12s. So we've gone through the 67 threes, quickly heading up towards that 68 ones. Want to see this. Want to see a strong close here. $67.5s. Oh wow, there we go. $67.8. 3 ticks away. There we go. Target hit. Okay. Let's see. About to get a setup long, long, long again. Come on. There we go. So we got to that target there on gold. Let's try and take the 27.5s here. Put an alert at 28. Or alert at 27.25. Let's scale out if it comes down below these lows. So we've gone as high as 0175. So, so that's 5 ticks away from our target. What's that? Oh wow, seeing a strong move on gold here. Okay, what does the NQ look like on the 5s? Goodness me, I have to get through the point of control. 713s. Okay, interesting. So we came within 5 ticks of target. Want to see this 5 ticks taken out. Want to see this get taken out here. So got 5 ticks. Come on. You know what? You know what? We get to that 27.25. I'm going to trail up into profit and see if I can pick up the 103 5s here. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do here. There is a possibility of us getting stuck around the 730s and not getting to the 733s, but we'll see. Come on, let's go. So we're 4 ticks away on ES, the middle chart. Come on, let's go. Let's go. O2. One alert up at 0250. 0275. Come on. 3 ticks away. Come on. Seeing buying on the left hand side. On the left hand side, we're seeing some buying across ES. Buying across gold. Gold seems like it wants to attack the highs. Come on, let's go. 102.25. Come on. Someone's selling up there. Some son of a gun is selling. Some son of a gun selling up there. Can we break them out? Can we break the seller? The seller up there at the 02.25 is a bit of a nuisance. Come on. Want to see a quick follow? Damn, this damn seller up there is hanging around. Come on, go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. We got to the level. Feel me. Feel me. There we go. Taking that off the table. Let's see. There we go. Come on, breakout. Need to see a breakout above these highs. Above the highs of the 1950s. I want to see this run up to the 27. If we get 27, adjusting a stop to break even, cancelling this order down here. Seeing that breakout of the day on our friends over at gold. Hoping that this doesn't act as a hindrance over on our friends at NQ. Currently today, 2 trades, 2 winners. Currently up 62 unrealized. Picked up 45 and 42. Want to pick up 103, 500. Let's see, can we hold above these highs? Want to see this push here. There we go. Okay, so that's enough. Adjusting my stop to break even. Well, let's see if we can lock in 25. Cancelling this order. So I should lock in at least 100 on the day. 30, 3 points away, which is about 12 ticks. Okay, come on. We've got as high as 30.50. Okay, no, let's lock in 51. Come on. Come on. There is a risk of this reversing here after this push to the upside and coming down to my stop. Got up to 30.50. Target's up at 33. Goodness me. So it's about, what, 10 ticks away? I'm not willing to give it any more than I need to be honest. 10 ticks. Okay. There we go. Come on, get me. What did we get up to? Got up to 33. Come on, why didn't you fill me? Come on. The high here is 33. The target's 33. Come on. Fill me. Come on. Come on. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on, man. Cha. Came within 3 points of being stopped out there. Ah, golly. Think I'm going to be stopped out. Oh, goodness me. Yep, stopped out. So I left about 33 on the table there. Golly. Ah, my word. For the love of one tick, man. Gee, golly. Okay. Okie dokie. So, I'll tell you what. A single tick. Huh. So what did we leave there? We left about 30 on the table. 30 on the table. 30 on the table. 30 on the table. Where did we get stopped at? 21.75. You know what? You know what? It's Let's have a look. Value area high. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. 19. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's sync. Do we want to? Golly. 20. Would I be buying too high here? That's what I'm thinking. Would I be buying too high? Is trailing a part of the system? Not really. So, okay. I would need to move up to 30. Come on. Seem to be struggling. Okay. Oh my word. Come on. Okay. Is this a market chase now? 21.70. Oh my word. Should not have trailed. Should not have trailed. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Okay. All right, let's think about this. So there's this area right here that could potentially act as a bit of a head and shoulders turnaround. Hmm. I really don't want to. So we cleared those highs, 33s. We got as high as 34. Now we're down to 33s. Hold on a second here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. You know what? Let's see if we can do that. You know what? Let me try getting. I'm buying high. I know I'm buying high. This is just a remnant of that trade that didn't. Where I got now at 21. I'm back in at 29. And there is a risk of head and shoulders over here. So looking to see if I can get 40. Attack these highs over here. Time will tell. Who knows? This could be like a fatal move, but the selling just keeps getting bought up. So that's what I'm thinking about. The sellers just keep getting bought up. Let's see. Let's see. Up to 33.50. I want to see this quick move through the 34s. Got to 34.50. I don't like that. The fact that we could only get 2 ticks on the previous highs at 34. I don't like that at all. Darn it. Don't like that at all. I wanted to see at least a 2-point break. I wanted to see like a 36.25. There we go. That's what I want to see. All right. Got through the 36.25. Got to 37. So 3 points away. I'm a bit more confident that we can see this 40, which would be a tack of pretty close to these highs up at the 42s. Come on, let's go. That's a 37. Come on, I want to see another push here. Come on, let's have a good close. Let's have a good close. There we go. Pushing at the close. That's what we want to see. Pushing into the new candle. That's what we want to see. There we go. Got to 37.50. All right. So 37.50. That's 10 ticks away. All right. Come on. Let's get these 10 ticks. If we can get to this 40, can end trading for the day. There we go. 339. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. There we go. Okay, so picked up 32. So 32 to 50 plus the 69,750. That's essentially one trade. There's a trade there and there's a trade there. And what I'm going to do is, matter of fact, oh my word, I've just realized that my 35 minutes, my scroll banner is completely out of date. It is Thursday the 28th. Let's see. Let's see. Market recovering from. Nice. Nice. Through the highs. Let's go. Everybody that was buying is feeling real good right now. Feeling real good. Let's see. Wonder what Nvidia is doing on earnings. Nvidia. Oh, it's down 1%. Let's get some market data and our friends over at Nvidia. And how much have we recovered? Wow. Okay, so from the lows we've recovered. Let's see. Say we're still down 1%. Okay. Move it down. Oh, goodness me, what are we doing? Let's go have a look at this market mover here. Oh, wow. Coming all the way back, are we? Let's see. Okay. Oh, my word. Come on, keep number lock on. What was the GDP in the United States? It was 3.3%. Mm. 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 Oh my word. Mm, 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 mm. It's going to update the banner because the current banner is out of date. So the new banner is up. The new banner is up. I believe all it took today was long trades. Long. Well, it's going to only be longs. Long. Long again. Mm. Mm. Where's our account? Let's have a look. So we're almost up to 400. Okay. Goodness me. How low did we go? Feels like a limbo. We're limboing. Oh wow. We're down at 45. Goodness me. We're down at 45 and battling. Goodness me. Wow. Who knows? I may look back at this in the future and think, wow, you were down at 45. Only to then get all the way back to 392. But if we're down at 45, if we get to 450, we'll have 10x our account. So goodness me. Mm. See the natural progression of this, right? We're looking for a move up to the 816.75. And over here, oh wow, is that the all-time high? Hold on. I think we might be at the all-time highs on, yes, that can't be right, surely not. My gosh, we are correct. That is the all-time high. 508.75. No way. So the projection, we're looking at the 6530s. We were at the all-time highs. Yeah, that could be a bit of a resistance. And we're looking for that 479 on gold. Goodness me. Look at this. Certainly looks like I left the party early here. Wow. I got in, got to target, but look at this party. So I got in there. Goodness me. Could have really been partying like it's 1999 again. See, so we'd only be looking for longs today. Well, based on the current conditions. So let's see. We'd be looking at a long over here. Probably Tesla's not your best bet. What would we be trading? Google likely. So let's see. Do we have another chart we could use? Let's see. Let's see. What are the volume leaders? What would they be trading? Some of we know these. The low float traders are trading this sort of stuff. Look at that. That's an absolute doozy. Those low float traders must be making an absolute ton today. Spread's a bit shaky. But those low float traders must be crushing it. Golly, look at this. My gosh. What's life as a low float trader? Absolutely crushed this. 77%. What else would they be trading? Would a low float trade 53 million shares? Yeah. Low float traders would be interested in this sort of thing. Where would be right here? Would be the next setup. Right there. For this consolidation. Another 10% for low float traders. Percentage gainers. SOG-P. Okay. OPAD. The volume's a bit lower there on FTHM. So the focus would definitely be on SOG-P and OPAD. Interesting. Seeing our friends over at gold pull back a bit here. But you know what? I'm going to walk away with the profits on the table. I'm going to make like a bandit and run for the hills. Picking up 189 today. Thank you, NVIDIA, and thank you, GDP. So, with that said, thanks for watching. Let's see. Let's see here. Problem I've got at the moment is ES is at all-time highs at the 508.75. That is the problem at the moment. All-time highs on ES. Right there. We've already gone above the all-time high. Well, came pretty close right there. Imagine that. 508.50, a single tick away. And from there, if you were a buyer looking for the all-time highs, you would have been punished. So from the 0850s all the way down to 80, 75. Goodness me. Seems that we are pulling back from the all-time highs. Broke it, got up to 13. Pretty good break right there. Had a wick. Bearishness, closed below. Not being able to get back above. You know what? I'm calling it a day. I am calling it a day. With that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.